BMW will launch its X4 Coupe in India during the first half of 2019. It is highly likely that BMW will ship the model as a completely knocked-down kit and will be assembled at the company's plant in Chennai. At the time of launch, the X4 will be offered with two engine options: the X4 iDrive 30i with 252 HP 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol and the iDrive 30D with 265 HP 3-litre 6-cylinder diesel unit. The petrol X4 will zoom from 0 to 100 km in just 6.3 seconds, while the diesel one will achieve the same in 5.8 seconds. Both the engines will come mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox. On the inside, the X4 will have the latest iDrive infotainment system with a 6.5-inch or a 10.3-inch display with voice or gesture control as standard.